How to navigate Medicaid spend down and protect your estate in Ohio. Medicaid is a joint federal and state program that provides healthcare coverage to individuals with limited income and resources. Navigating the complexities of Medicaid in Ohio can be daunting, especially when it comes to understanding spend down requirements and potential liens on assets. However, with informed planning and strategic asset management, it's possible to qualify for Medicaid benefits while safeguarding your estate. Understanding Medicaid spend down in Ohio. Medicaid is a joint federal and state program that provides healthcare coverage to individuals with limited income and resources. In Ohio, to qualify for Medicaid, applicants must meet specific financial criteria, which often necessitates a spend down of assets. This process involves reducing one's countable assets to fall within the program's eligibility limits. As of 2024, a single applicant for nursing home Medicaid in Ohio must have income under $2,829 per month and assets totaling under $2,000. For married couples, the non-applicant spouse, known as the community spouse, is allowed to retain a portion of the couple's assets, referred to as the community spouse resource allowance. In 2024, this allowance can be as much as $154,140. Medicaid planning assistance. Strategies to protect assets during spend down. While the spend down process is a standard requirement, there are legal strategies to protect assets and minimize the impact on one's estate. 1. Convert countable assets into exempt assets. Certain assets are exempt from Medicaid's asset calculations, such as the primary residence, up to a certain equity value, one vehicle, and personal belongings. By converting countable assets into exempt ones, individuals can reduce their countable resources. For example, using excess funds to pay off a mortgage or make home improvements can be beneficial. 2. Establish a qualified income trust, QIT. If an individual's income exceeds Medicaid's limit, setting up a QIT can help. This irrevocable trust allows excess income to be placed into the trust, bringing the individual's income within acceptable limits for Medicaid eligibility. 3. Utilize Medicaid-compliant annuities. Purchasing a Medicaid-compliant annuity can convert a lump sum of countable assets into a stream of income, which may be treated differently under Medicaid rules. This strategy requires careful planning to ensure compliance with Medicaid regulations. Understanding Medicaid liens and estate recovery. A significant concern for many is the potential for Medicaid to place a lien on one's property or recover costs from an estate after death. In Ohio, the Medicaid Estate Recovery Program seeks to recoup expenses paid on behalf of Medicaid recipients from their estates. This recovery can include costs for nursing facility services, home and community-based services, and related hospital and prescription drug services. Proactive planning to mitigate risks. To minimize the impact of Medicaid liens and estate recovery, consider the following proactive steps. Early asset reallocation, transferring assets into irrevocable trusts or to beneficiaries well in advance, at least 5 years before applying for Medicaid, can protect them from spend-down requirements and estate recovery. However, such transfers must be carefully planned to avoid penalties. A law. Consult with elder law attorneys. Engaging professionals who focus on Medicaid planning can provide personalized strategies tailored to individual circumstances, ensuring compliance with state and federal regulations. Jarvis Firm. Conclusion. While the Medicaid spend down explained the process and potential for estate recovery can be complex and concerning, informed planning and strategic asset management can help individuals qualify for necessary benefits without compromising their financial legacy. By understanding the rules and utilizing available strategies, it's possible to navigate Ohio's Medicaid system effectively and protect